Hi everyone, happy Thanksgiving. For this video I will be testing out Tj Maxx products, makeup products that you can find at Ulta and Sephora. You can get it cheaper at Tj Maxx. So if you guys want to watch this video and see how the products came out, stay tuned and watch. Thanks, bye. So I already...
Incoming call.
Hello?
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I was filming.
Filming? It's Thanksgiving.
I'm filming and get ready with me.
Oh, okay.
So what I was saying was I already drew in my eyebrows and I already put concealer on my eyelid. I used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So got from Tj Maxx was this palette. I feel like my lighting is too bright. I really like it because it has all your neutrals and like it's Thanksgiving, so I just, you know, I don't want to go all out. Didn't wash my brushes, but that's fine. We're just gonna, you know. Do you guys do this too? Am I the only one? What I'm gonna do is go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with this one. That one. I was gonna go in with this one, but I kind of just want to do like all browns. Oh fuck. No one's thinking of me. Do you guys believe that when you sneeze 3 times, somebody's thinking of you? I do. So I'm just gonna put this on the my crease. So it's already like falling out. I like this palette because it's just like, it's not too much, it's not dramatic. See how it's like, why did my skin so bad? I'm not a makeup artist, you guys, don't judge me. I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to do something simple, something neutral. Okay. How the fuck am I supposed to see? Ew. Ugh. I'm gonna go with this one. Ew, my makeup is literally coming out like shit. I'm just gonna go, should I do? What should I do? What do you guys think I should do? Okay, do you guys spray it too? I spray with the Mario Badescu. I spray the brush. I'm gonna just go with this one. I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid. Then I'm gonna go in again. I'm just gonna do the same thing for this one. So now I'm just gonna wipe it. And this is the palette that I got at Tj Maxx. I got it for like $4.99. Yeah, it says right here. I like it. I like it a lot. It's very buttery. Here, I'll show you guys. Which one? I'll do this one. She buttery. She buttery. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. Ooh. She thick. $4.99. Okay, So I already put lotion on my face, so I'm just gonna spray this on my face. She smells good. I'm gonna go in with my primer. I'm too lazy to go water my sponge. Oh, I got this sponge too at TJ Maxx too, and I think it was for like $4.99. I don't remember, but the only reason why I got this sponge because it came with this. I don't know what this is. You wash it in here and just, I guess you just go like that. I don't know. It's supposed to help you clean your brush. I don't know how it works though. If you know, let me know. So I'm not gonna go to the bathroom right now because I'm too lazy to get up. So I'm just gonna spray my sponge with the Mario Badescu. Am I saying that right? Badescu? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna spray it. Oh, she wet. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in 220. Shake it real good. Just gonna put it. Ooh, she came out a lot. Okay, just gonna. Ooh, that's too much. Oh, I told you I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. You gotta get that double chin too. So you gotta go. Oh, whew. Okay, I think we all set. Usually use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, but I did not get this at TJ Maxx. So these are the two that I got from TJ Maxx. No me recuerdo cuánto me costaron, but which one should we use? Let's use the Lorac Perfection concealer. Let's use this one. Let's see. You know, I don't know why there's water. Did it? Why is there water? I know, sir. So now I'm just gonna use my sponge, like $4.99. She coverage. She is coverage, full coverage. So I'm gonna set my face with the Airspun loose face powder. You guys, I'm so sorry for this bad lighting. What if I just turn it off? So actually I'm just gonna go like this. Just pour it everywhere in my face. So I got so far that palette, that concealer from TJ Maxx. And I'm only doing this video because I'm getting ready right now, and those are the main things that I've been using to do my makeup. And I just wanted to share with you guys that I got this at TJ Maxx because I did not know that TJ Maxx sold Anastasia, Marc Jacobs, what is it? Lorac, Too Faced, like just like stuff that I've seen on Ulta or at Sephora. I did not know that until like recently, like 2 months ago. So maybe you guys didn't know either. And I know the holidays are coming up, so maybe you wanted to get stuff for your family. So this is me testing the things out for you, and it's real. Like, I guess they're just like a third party. I don't know if you guys know why they sell it for cheap. Let me know. I tried talking to the guy that works there, and he just told me that they're like a third party and it's like legit, you know. So I was like, okay, if it's legit, you don't gotta tell me twice. Let me see if I can do this. Da 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 da. Oh fuck. Oh my god, I am me trying to do my eyeliner on camera. Oh my god. You know what? This is not working out. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my hardest. Okay. Oh, I did it, you guys. I just have to color it in like a coloring book. Oh, you guys, I just messed up. I was so close. Ugh. I tried. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Go in with my Anastasia powder bronzer. And I got this at TJ Maxx too. $10.99. $10.99. That's a steal. And it works so good too. That's way too much. I cannot contour my face to save my own life. I don't know how to do it. Oh, my neck. My neck. My back. So I'm gonna use this brush to contour my nose. I know it's too big. I'm putting some on the tip right here. So now I'm just gonna go in. I did not get this at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go in with my Christopher Buckle what is it called? Blush Duo. Now I look like a clown. These lashes at TJ Maxx too for $7.99. I think that's their normal price, to be honest. Maybe they're $12. No me recuerdo. You are me. I'm tired too. Must be nice. That's my daughter. Se llama Lola. Lola la trailera. I just put my eyelashes on wrong. So I got this mascara from TJ Maxx for only $5.99, you guys, and it's from this brand. Wait, is it backwards? And I like it. I think their like price is more than $10. I don't know, I never got anything from this brand. Ya tengo pestañas. So on my resume that I'm bilingual. So then I go in with this. I did not get this at TJ Maxx. I got this Revolution highlighter. I got this highlighter at TJ Maxx for ¿cuánto? Ni me recuerdo. But I think it was like $6.99. You know what? I just saw the recibo somewhere in my room. Tenía el pinche recibo. Found it. Haha. I knew I saw it somewhere. Okay, so. What the fuck is this? This is how much everything cost. Focus on me. Oh, there you go. So now I'm just gonna spray my brush. Hippity poppity poop. And then just go in. Ooh. Lola, that's so rude. And last, I got this NARS lipstick. And this was what? $7.99. So that's it. I'm gonna go get dressed now because I guess the guests are arriving. So I'll be right back. So this is my outfit for the day. This dress is from Windsor and these booties are from Misguided. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, then give it a thumbs down. I don't know. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked the products. I liked it. Look at my makeup. I'm gonna blind people over dinner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be more videos coming soon. My birthday is coming up and I am getting my hair done pretty soon, so we'll be filming that. Then my birthday's coming up, like I said, and I can't wait. So yeah, so many new videos are coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I have so many giveaways, so be on the lookout on my Instagram at TYLXO_. And yeah, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. See you guys later. Bye.